Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So this stock is about to explode next week, and you already know I'm gonna give you a few extra bangers to go with them. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Share with you guys the stock that I'm going to be watching next week, like a hawk, looking for any type of pullback, any weakness down to around the low nines, guys. The high nines, right around $9.98 will be a good entry point for this stock, and you definitely want to ride it up a few dollars on the share price. Of course, it could go double up from here, go up 200-300%. When this stock came down back in April of 2020 of last year during the pandemic, it reached as low as $8 range, and in less than about 60 days it ran as high as $30, got right back to $30, and then started back to decline for the rest of in 2021 and 2022. So now we came back, retested that bottom near that $8-9 range, guys, and we also have some good catalysts. Like we know, I'm looking at this particular security far as the price action. I'm not concerned with the fundamentals, with whatever going on in the company, but the thing to make it brighter with this situation is the fundamentals of the company is actually getting better, and it's looking good. But that's just to put icing on the cake, because we in for the price action, for the movement, for a short period of time to get in and out for a nice percentage gain. So let's go ahead and talk about this banger, guys, and that banger is Carnival Cruise, guys. So Carnival Cruise ended at $10.98 on Friday. It broke through a major resistance at $9.98. We have a nice little gap fill all the way up to around $12-13 a share, guys. Of course, that doesn't mean put all your money in, it's about to go straight there. It's going to be turbulence along the way, ups and down, pullbacks, but that's what it's on track to do. If things change, the market have a crazy turnaround to go back down to the downside, which it will. But why I'm giving this prediction, why I'm putting this out there, because I believe the market will be bullish for a short period of time, but for a good enough amount of time for us to take advantage of the opportunity, then get out and let the market recover and go back down and do what it do. So anyways, guys, Carnival Cruise has some solid news, guys. This is a strong quarter. Their revenue has increased over 50%, guys. That's insane. Their revenue was $2.4 billion, and over 50%. That's some great news. So that also had an effect with the extra volatility with the stock had on Friday. We already know that isn't the only thing, guys, because companies can have good news all the time. News and can blow things out of the water, crazy news, mind-blowing news, and it'll end up even coming down, don't do nothing at all. So never think just because they said that company had that type of news, that's why it's doing that. No, it's always more than one increments that goes into play on why asset or security does what it does. So anyways, that's the first banger I got for you guys. Had to get that out of the way. And next banger we got for you guys is some of the old ones. Some of the old plays that we've been calling out is still in play, actually. All the plays I've been calling out in the VIP has been banger after banger after banger after banger. I don't want to jinx myself. Of course, I'm going to get cold. I already know I ain't gonna say I'm going to get cold, but it's going to be some losers that come about as well. But I'm just, kind of shocked by how many winners, almost every winner, every stock we've been calling out has been a winner. But anyways, let's not hold you guys too long. The other bangers we'll be looking at next week, some of the ones we already made money off of, we're going to rinse and repeat, make money off of them again as well. And as I'm calling these stocks, don't just jump in at the prices they hit now. Wait for the market to breathe a little bit. It's going to pull back after having an amazing week like we did on last week. All that recovery during unexpected times when people won't expect it, unless you was following this channel over here, because I've been talking about it, we've been expecting it. But anyways, guys, you definitely want to be up on game, pay attention to what's going on, the details, wait for the best opportunities to get in. But the next bangers is Upstart. You definitely want to be looking at that, guys. Closed at 41. We been called that way down in the 30s. We made money off that time and time again, and now it's time to make money off of it again, but we're going to wait for it to pull back a bit. Also, Carvana, it closed at 31. We had a lot of backlash on that. That's doing numbers. We made over 4,000 on last week with Carvana, guys. We want to look for a pullback and look to get in that too, because if it break above $33 a share, this thing could go. We definitely don't want to be playing games and wait for it to break 33. We want to be looking at the ideal price targets and trying to get in while it's below that level, guys. Also, so we got Carnival Cruise, Upstart, Carvana, and I had another banger for y'all. That was Snapchat. definitely want to be looking at Snap, guys. Snap has a potential short term just to get in, get out, because we know Snapchat, a lot of these social media companies is about to lose the TikTok. TikTok is coming in simple. The way I always tell you guys to keep things, that's the way you're always going to be successful over your peers, by keeping things stupid. Kiss. But stupid simple. I forgot how the kiss jump go, but keep it stupid simple. That's how it go. But anyways, guys, that's exactly what TikTok is doing. They're taking over the game. A lot of these platforms trying to maneuver and go in the path of TikTok and try to duplicate them, but you can't never duplicate the original and do it better than the original. They're gonna always stay at the original far as the consumers. So you definitely want to be investing in Snapchat for short term though. I wouldn't, if you was to hold long term, I would do it with house money, meaning I would invest enough now. As it double up, I will pull my initial investment out and some more to pay myself, and I'll let the rest of the shares ride on house money, if you believe in Snap like that. But these social media companies, guys, it's hard for me to really put my money in them and let them stay there forever, because I know how they come and go. It's always a hot thing for a moment, just like a hot rapper, then he'll cool down and something else will blow up. So you want to be very smart with the way you move with that. But hey, that's just my opinion. Always do your own homework and stick with your opinion, your guts, because like I say, everybody want to come up with their own unique style, guys, in this field, because there's never one right or wrong way how to get in out of play. There's one wrong way with the knowledge and all that, but as far as how you maneuver, we can get out at different levels, we can get in at different levels, we can you already know. But anyways, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I love y'all. We already know the haters in the back, what they say, oh, B Hayes, he working in working in a wood or something, what that. Man, people don't even know what you got going on, man. B Hayes, I ain't even gonna talk about it. This a business though, and y'all don't even know what business it is. That's the thing. And people be wanting to know, but I ain't even gonna tell you, because we got so many haters. If we didn't have all them haters back there, we'll let y'all know a little stuff. But nah, we gonna keep some of my business to ourselves, man. I love y'all though. You already know what to do, man. Make sure you got businesses going on out there making more money than just the stock market, because it's 100,000 ways to get that money. And best believe, by the time it's all said and done, I talk about it one day, B Hayes gonna have 20, 30 different sources of income. It sounds like a lot, don't it? But man, hey, now when you got I put y'all on game. We gone.